In this video, I'm going to do exercise 2. Choose the most appropriate future forms for the sentences below. Choose the present continuous where possible. Okay, remember, choose the present continuous where possible. Number 1. I'm playing tennis with my friends next Friday. I'm going to play would be okay, but we need to choose the present continuous where possible. Number 2, can you pass me the remote? I'm going to watch some TV. Number 3, what are you going to do with the lottery money? Be going to for an intention. Number 4, we are getting married in June. We are going to get married in June would also be possible. Number 5, did you remember to make the reservation? Oh no, I forgot. I'll call the hotel right now. I'll for a spontaneous decision. Number 6. Why did you buy a guitar if you can't play? No, I can't play, but I'm going to learn. Okay, I'm learning would be possible, but that would be talking about the present, not the future. So I'm going to learn. It is my intention to learn how to play the guitar. Number 7, I can't see without my glasses. Don't worry. I'll read the letter for you. So I'll for a spontaneous decision. Number 8, Laura is coming back next Tuesday. I can't wait to see her. Is going to come back would be okay, but we need to use the present continuous. Number 9, I have stopped eating sugar. I'm not going to eat sugar again. Be going to for an intention. The road to hell is paved with good intentions. 10. We are meeting some friends after work. Present continuous for an arrangement. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. Thank you.